How to delete your Telegram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can delete your Telegram account. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if I go ahead and show you and then open the Telegram app, you can see I currently have an active Telegram account, and if you want to delete it, you will not be able to find the option within the application. For that, we will simply need to use our browser. So we are going to hop out of the Telegram app. Once we log out and close Telegram, I'm going to go ahead and then open my browser. Once you open your browser, what you want to do is in the search box, you want to simply type in my.telegram.org. So go ahead and then simply type in my.telegram.org. I'll also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. Once you go to my.telegram.org, you'll be able to see this kind of interface which says to delete account or manage apps. Over here, you want to simply enter your number in the international format. Remember to enter it in the international format. If you have your country code, go ahead and simply enter them first. Otherwise, you will not be able to receive the code. And the other thing you can also remember is that you will receive the code through the Telegram app and not through the SMS. So make sure that you are mindful of that as well. And let me just go ahead and enter my number. Once you have entered your number, make sure that it's typed in correctly. And as you're sure of that, you could go ahead and simply tap on the next button which you see. Once you tap on the next button, it will take some time to send you the verification code. So as you can see, it says enter the confirmation code. So we will wait until we receive the confirmation code from the Telegram app itself. So as you can see, we have successfully received the login code. Now I will go ahead and then simply open this message right over here, and then I will copy this link or this code which you see. So go ahead and simply long press on it and then copy that particular code. Once you've copied the code, you can come back and simply paste that particular code. As soon as you do that, you can tap on this sign in button which you see. So go ahead and tap on sign in button, and you can see it says Telegram Core. All you have to do is simply tap on the delete account button which you see right at the middle. So go ahead and tap on delete account. As you tap on delete account, it says me to enter while you are leaving. So go ahead and confirm that as well and tap on the delete my account button, and at the top you have to simply select this red button which says yes, delete my account. Once you've done that, you will have successfully deleted your Telegram account, and this is the way on how you can very easily delete your Telegram account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.